My Core Plus Aerospace experience has been pretty awesome. It shows us a broad range of skills that we can use practically anywhere in life. Core Plus Aerospace prepares you for the job in the real world and a leg up coming out of high school.
Students learn anything from 3D modeling and design to sheet metal fabrication, welding, blueprint interpretation, all of those basic entry-level skills they'll need to be successful in career.
The skills that I'm learning right now in this class: work with our hands, work as a team, learn different tools. We know what we're dealing with when we get to our future jobs. Anything could be possible after this class. I can use all the skills I've learned here and use it in the real world.
My Core Plus Aerospace experience has been like a fun, good hands-on experience. Being out in the shop using sheet metal and cutting sheet metal and drilling and riveting new skills is something that I want to pursue in the future.
The Core Plus Aerospace curriculum helps students learn manufacturing skills and see what it is like to work in industry and how those skills connect to a career. These careers are high-wage, in-demand careers. Students here are able to learn the skills that are in high demand in these industries. Our students are highly sought after.
Core Plus Aerospace has been nothing but amazing. You get to meet new people, you build stuff. It's a one-of-a-kind experience that you wouldn't be able to get anywhere else. It's just mind-blowing how many different things you can learn and achieve because of Core Plus Aerospace.